All right, I think we're just waiting on Vishnu to hop in. He should be here any second. Oh, there he is, actually. Okay. How's it going, Vishnu?
Oh, he's muted.
Oh, okay. All right, that's all right. All right, so I think this is everybody that's going to be hopping in today. So something that we wanted to focus on. I know Paul, you're new. Lewis, I think you've been in a few trainings so far.
Yes, sir.
Of course, Carissa, Anthony, you guys know the drill most of the time. So today we're going to focus mostly on like lead generation, on how to find clients for what you're trying to do, everything of that nature. A big part of this industry is, social media. I know we've been over that before. And of course, getting your name out there, getting your brand out there. Um, all you guys, first of all, you can always have people sign up underneath you. So if you ever have anybody who wants to push loans for you, you can always sign up agents underneath you so that, you guys can make money off what they're doing. So, if you know anybody that, knows a lot of business owners, or anybody that has a large network of real estate investors, or I know Carissa and Rivers here, they've been focusing on aircraft stuff. If you guys know people that are parts of these industries, you can always have somebody working underneath you so that you can make money off what they're doing. This way you guys make money for basically nothing. You just sign them up under you. Um, One thing that, I definitely think you guys should take advantage of is kind of, finding what niche you like, whether it's the business loans, whether it's the real estate, whether it's aircraft financing, merchant processing for businesses. Find which of these avenues works best for you. Find, what you're most interested in, and try to really focus on that one avenue. This way, all your energy goes into one thing instead of, jumping around from real estate to business loans to merchant processing, because then you're going to be too spread out. You know what I mean? You're going to be trying to focus on too many things. Whereas if you put all your energy into one topic, you'll probably have more success. Um, Paul, I know recently we made you your social medias and everything like that. I believe we have it connected to our CRM. Just like Anthony and Carissa, whenever we post things through our system, it goes right to your page. It's a great way for you to, get your name and your brand out there with us. This way, when leads come to you for whatever we're posting about, you have the opportunity to take that lead and turn it into a deal and make some money off of it. Now, somebody that has been doing great with this thing is Carissa recently. She's been doing a lot of social media advertising and stuff like that. Carissa, why don't you tell us a little bit about your process and what you're doing to drive in deals for yourself?
Yeah, so basically what I'm doing is I'm basically DMing people on Instagram, like business owners, real estate investors, and also messaging them on Facebook as well. So I'm going on their groups like real estate investors, and I'm going and seeing if they comment on the page on the group, and if they're interested, I click on their profile, I follow them, and then I send them a message like saying, hey, do you buy rental properties, would you be interested in some financials? And also on there, sometimes they leave emails on there that I copy and I paste, and I email them as well. So that's something that I do on Facebook, Instagram, and also I do some on LinkedIn as well. So
So really, it's
On
all
where
about
did you
kind
say?
of what's that?
What was that last thing you said, Carissa? Where you did that at?
LinkedIn.
LinkedIn?
Yeah, so
Yeah.
we
Okay.
all use LinkedIn, Facebook, Instagram. I mean, we have people that use TikTok is very popular, especially. I know we have one young lady on our team that does a lot of TikToks, and she's still getting contact from TikTok that she made 3, 4 years ago. She's still getting leads from just off of one video. We have all these great tools at our disposal these days. All the social media, all the content we can create or get a hold of, even YouTube, stuff like that, that you guys can all really take to your advantage. Everybody knows how to use social media these days. Everybody, you know, has a little bit of their own social media, and it's pretty much the same thing. You build your following, you take part in pages that, are to your liking. So, especially for ETG or, Anthony and Carissa, for your businesses as well, you want to build your brand name. So, you want to get your name out there. So, like Carissa focusing on the real estate pages, whether you post about your actual brand or just trying to find those, the connections to try to get people to use your services, definitely following the pages that are, to your avenue, whether it's businesses, real estate, aircraft, merchant processing. There's pages available out there for you guys to focus on. This way you can make those connections. You can take the emails off the posts or message the people directly and say, hey, I see, you're looking for some kind of business lending or merchant processing. I offer those services. I can definitely help you guys out. These are just great avenues for you guys to really make connections and for you guys to make some money off these deals. Rivers has been doing something very similar recently with aircraft. So you're doing something very similar to what Chris is doing, right? You're messaging people, DMing people, taking emails. Carissa, can you screen share? Just because I don't have Rivers accounts on here. So if you can show... No, you know what? It's okay. Hold on.
If needed,
I can if I can figure it out.
All right, hold on. Let me get this set up for Rivers real quick. I should have done this before. Give me 1 second. All right, let's do... Do you know your login?
I have it written down.
You want to just tell it to me?
Facebook, let me see. Okay, ETG space Rivers. That's the password.
Oh, underscore Rivers.
Oh no, that's Instagram. Facebook is just a space.
Oh, okay. And then R1.
It's R1, yeah. It's the same for like almost everything.
Do you have an email? What email is it attached to?
Should be the
ETG?
See, if not, then it's the Marion Thompson.
No.
Oh, I might have used mine. Okay, so try RM Thompson. Sorry.
Sorry. I'm just gonna use mine.
Okay, cool.
Sorry. I don't know my password.
They had it all written down.
Take me too long to access.
If you want to do aerospace, I can talk about that.
Alright, so you guys should be seeing my page over here. So this is my Facebook. All we really do, again, I focus mostly on real estate stuff, which, to you guys that are new to the group, these are really big ticket items. So a real estate deal could be anywhere from, a couple $100,000 to multi-million-dollar deals that you guys can be making commission on. So these are some really big ticket items, just like the aircraft financing and even the merchant processing. If you guys get a business to sign up for merchant processing services, you're going to make commission off that month after month. So again, find your avenue that you want to stick to, something that you feel like, interests you the most, and, put all your focus into that one thing, but figure out what you want to focus on. So if you see here, it's as easy as going to your Instagram or Facebook, searching, real estate investors or aircraft groups, anything like that. So you see here, as soon as you, look up that name, the real estate investors, you have all kinds of pages from across the country and sometimes even across the world that you have access to. So you can hop into these groups, you can follow the pages. Sometimes they might ask you a couple questions when you first enter it, like, are you a real estate investor? Are you interested in investing? Things of that nature. You just answer those questions. Usually it's pretty straightforward. You can either just hit follow. I'm trying to find one that'll ask me the few questions real quick just so you guys can see. All right, I guess not. So when you go into these pages, obviously now if we're in New Jersey real estate investors, these are going to be all people from the tri-state area of New Jersey, Pennsylvania, Delaware, that are, real estate investing, probably even people from New York as well. So basically, when you guys go into these pages, you can look for people looking for funding for different things. Just try to find something that, aligns with what we provide. So this is about some kind of event that they had. Let's see. Maybe this is a bad page. Let me hop back out.
You show aerospace ones?
What is it?
Just look up aircraft for sale. And then try to see a good one. Alright, try aerospace for sale.
Pages, right?
Yeah. It's weird. It shows different ones online.
Give us just a second here, guys.
That's something good.
So something like this, 12 to 150 unit multifamilies for sale. So, when you come into these, this guy's looking for multifamily, 15 to 30 door units, can be apartment, townhomes, buyers looking for an owner financing. All right, so not that one. But if he wasn't looking for owner financing, I would message that guy and say, hey, look, we offer funding that fits your, that program that you're looking to do. All the features of our program, a lot of you guys know those already. Some of you people that are a little bit newer, when we do other trainings, we go through about all the different loan programs and all the advantages people get by working with us instead of other people. So the fact that we're partnered with over 550 lenders, we can guarantee the best rates and terms. There's a lot of benefits to people working with us instead of other lenders, other brokers, things of that nature. Even this lady, looking to keep referral commission. So basically, you just want to go through these pages and find people that, have a need for what we provide. New construction townhouse leads put up in 2. So like somebody like this, if he's selling a property, I'll reach out to him. Hey, we offer financing. If you guys find somebody interested in buying your properties, feel free to reach out to us. And, some of these people, you can even offer the agent program. Like this guy, if he sells a lot of these properties, tell him, instead of selling these properties and only making the money on the sale of the property, if you get these people to use us for financing, you can even make a commission off of the financing as well as making your money off the sale. So you want to drive interest to these people. So again, that they're incentivized to use our services. These pages are huge. There's thousands of people on these pages. It's just a matter of kind of scrolling through, really finding, people that fit our services. I'm trying to find one for the aircraft, but let me try yacht financing, or let's do this. So even something like, South Jersey Network for Small Business Owners. A page like this would be great to go into to offer merchant processing services. Everything comes up real estate. Let's see. So even somebody like the Press Pizza, if this person's in charge of their social media content, you can message these people, hey, do you want to save money on your merchant processing services? We guarantee to save them money on their transaction fees. We can give them top of the line equipment. So if they're not currently accepting Apple Pay or Tap to Pay, any of those things, they can, get those added bonuses while saving money on their transaction fees. Now, Carissa, I know you're bouncing back and forth a little bit between aircraft and real estate. Anthony, have you come across anything that you kind of feel, suits your interest more than other programs?
Not really. I think I'm focused on businesses right now.
Okay. Have you been doing any? I know you said you have like a virtual assistant or something like that, trying to find, clients for you. How's that working out for you? And B, are you
It's not working well, so I need to change.
right? So you may want to pivot. And that's
Yeah, I
all
need,
part of the learning process. You
yeah,
try something, whether it works or not. If it doesn't work,
yeah,
you pivot onto something else. And it's all about trying new things. And as Anthony knows and Carissa knows, if you guys ever need help with any of these things, you can always contact any one of our team. We can help you guys either focus on something or help you, try to drive clients into your business. Even Carissa, she's fairly new to doing this, and she's even taught us things about this. Even with LinkedIn and everything like that. It's another thing I'll show you guys. Give me 1 second. Let me pop over that. So, who here has a LinkedIn account?
yeah. I got
All
too
right,
many.
so Carissa, Anthony, Paul, we got to get you set up on LinkedIn.
I'm gonna try that too.
So LinkedIn is great, especially for our services. Lewis, you got a question or something?
Nope, was just answering about the LinkedIn. You had
Oh,
asked
okay,
who,
all
all
right.
those were on LinkedIn. I was on mute, so I figured I'd raise.
Okay, no problem. I just didn't know if you had a question or something. So yeah,
No,
most of you guys are familiar with LinkedIn. But again, it's a great source for finding clients, finding people to work with. Let's see. And so again, LinkedIn is just like every other social media. You have people that are following similar topics to what you follow. LinkedIn, I feel like might be a little bit more focused than Facebook. So like for Anthony, what state are you in? North Carolina?
Yeah, North Carolina.
So North Carolina Small Business Collective. So other small business owners in your area. Maybe this isn't a good one. No, it's got 67 members. And again, all you do is you join the page and you try to follow the conversation and you look for people that, might have a need for our services. Let me bounce back. Not enough members in this one. So a lot of these pages, if they don't process my my join request, it's going to take a minute. Do this. All right, so basically this is going to take too much. So, you can hop in these groups, and again, you just follow the conversation, more or less. You know what I mean? Find
Yeah.
people that you can message, DM, again, take their email, like Carissa said. There's a lot of great opportunities in here for you guys to find leads. Now, another thing that you guys can take advantage of, which, isn't as popular these days, but people still do it, you can go business to business yourself. Go into local, stores, local restaurants, offer them services. Anthony, you can go into, I know that you also work another thing, so you don't have a ton of time on your hands. But, you could offer somebody commission to go around on your behalf, offer all your local businesses merchant processing and say, hey, whatever deals we get, you'll make a percentage of that commission. This way, instead of you having to do it yourself, now you have somebody working on your behalf and you're getting free leads. Yeah, you might split the commission with them, but you don't have to pay them anything up front. These are just ideas of how to generate, either people getting leads for you, or you generating your own leads? Paul, you're from Philly, right?
Yeah.
Do you frequent a lot of stores in the area? Do you go into different places like for a coffee every morning or for a sandwich, anything of that nature?
Yes, I do.
Okay, great. So basically, you don't want to really offer merchant processing to big corporations like CVS or Walgreens. But if you go by like a mom and pop shop, like a little coffee store or, a little retail store, pop in, introduce yourself, hey, and we also always recommend that you guys get business cards made. If you guys need help with that, we can do that as
Yeah,
well.
that's what I was just sitting here thinking, and probably like a little flyer or something made.
And we have those as well. You can take advantage of. We can get those sent over to you. But this way, whenever you're
Could
walking
you?
down the street or you're driving around, pop into a small business. Hey, I can offer you guys merchant processing, business loans, or even if you see people, I mean, if there's like an open house in the area for like a multifamily or a single family, if they're not purchasing it as a primary residence, you can pop in. Hey, I offer financing for real estate. If you guys are purchasing this as an investment property, I can help you guys get the financing for your mortgage. There's tons of different ways for you guys to
Yeah.
generate interest, people being interested in your services.
You know what I think I do real good on, and what I could use some cards for the real estate loans, because I know a lot of people who are into that, and they would
Absolutely.
I'm pretty sure they would like them services.
Yeah, absolutely. Our team can definitely
So
help you. We have templates for the business cards, so either
yeah,
Rivers or Nicole can help you make a business card. Then all you gotta do is get them printed. Then you have your business cards. We have flyers for you, different information about the loan programs. There's a ton of things here that you guys can take advantage of to help your businesses. And Carissa and Anthony know this
yeah.
as well. You know,
I
anything
think
you
that'd
guys
be
need
something
help
that'd
with.
be good for me. Real estate and small business loans.
Okay. Yeah, we'll definitely get something together for you. We'll help you make your business cards. We'll put some, flyers together for you. Especially if you're out and about on the town a lot. That's really, nothing. And we all know this from personal experience. If somebody calls you on the phone and they, oh, I'm offering you business lending. Most of the time they're going to be like, yeah, I'm not interested, and hang up. But if you actually go into a place and you meet somebody person to person, face to face, it's a little bit more
Right.
significant for them. And now they remember your face. Now they know your name. You're not just some stranger on the other side of a telephone. So, it's just another
Right.
way of generating people wanting to use our services. Now, another thing that we also do that is very passive, it's super easy for you guys to do. Give me just a moment here. Let me hop to another page. Now, Instagram and Facebook does this as well, and I believe LinkedIn does it as well. But you can spend a couple bucks a week, bucks a month, and you can, boost your post. So, like right here, you see I've reached 2,000 accounts in the last 30 days. I spent maybe like 80 bucks to reach an additional 2,000 people. They give you, a full dashboard, everything like that. Of course, it's not available right now. Let's see. Hop back. So usually they give you a professional dashboard where you can see all the insights that you've been posting to. Just gotta find it real quick. There we go. Give me just a minute here, guys. Couple technical difficulties today. Oh, there it is.
So
No,
zero that
it's not
and
gonna work. And now, as I'm, most of you guys are aware, running a business or, investing in yourself is all about, recognition of your name, your brand. So, this is a separate page that I run, separate from my personal Instagram page, because everything on this page is all about my business. If you look through, and this is one of the benefits to our CRM. Paul and Lewis, you guys can take part in this. I think, Paul, we already have you set up for this, where so whenever we post anything to our CRM, it all automatically comes out to all of our pages, whether it's Instagram, Facebook, LinkedIn, anything we have set up with our CRM. Anytime we post anything, it comes right to our pages. So if one person posts, it comes out to all our pages. We don't have to spend as much time on that brand recognition. You see everything has a logo. So, whether it's KDG Capital or Empowerment Funds or ETG, you always want to have your logo in your post. This way, if you post just once and somebody sees your logo, that's great and everything. But if they're seeing that logo a couple times a week, a few times a month, tons of times a year, now they're going to recognize your brand. Now, if you ever reach out to them for services, they have that in the back of their mind. Oh, ETG, I've heard of you guys, right? So, it just makes the connection easier to make. I'm trying to find one of the ones. Here we go. So when you boost the post, you would click on your recent post. You can boost it. And the good thing about boosting is it allows you to control the demographics that you reach, and it also allows you to control, how much money you spend. If it's a special ad category, most of the time, if you guys are ever boosting your post, they are going to be a special ad category, because most of our services are, credit backed or housing backed, something of those nature. You can select the goal that you want by boosting the post, so you can get more messages, get more people to your profile to build your following, get more people to your website. There's even one that you can do, generate more leads. I know that's here somewhere. Let me see. So, you set up one to get more messages. You can leverage their data to automatically deliver different ad creative variations. When you set these up for messengers, they have automatic messaging. So if somebody messages you on your post and says, hey, I want to know more information, you can actually set this up to, say once they ask for more information, hey, we do real estate financing. What page am I on? Give me a second. Yeah, I'm on the wrong page here. I don't know how that got there. Man, this thing is messing up today. Yeah, and then, you can also send it out to your Instagram, your WhatsApp, your LinkedIn. I'm on the wrong page, so this isn't set up the way it's supposed to be right now. And, you can select your budget. You can spend anywhere from, $1 a day up to $500. And, the more money you spend, the more people you're going to be able to, reach out to. But in a business like ours, even if, say, you spend $300 or $400 a month, all it takes is getting one deal closed to make that back 10 times. Even if you spend $500, all it takes is maybe one business loan for $30,000, and you 6 times your money right there. Or if you're doing it for real estate, and Carissa knows this, better than anybody, if you get one real estate deal that's $500,000 and you're charging 3%, you're able to make $15,000. So even though you're investing this money into yourself, it's able to pay you back tenfold. It's a huge benefit that you can take advantage of. and then you can select your audience. So Paul and Anthony, if you guys are focusing on business, let me see. You can create your own audience. So let's say U.S. and Canada, because we offer business loans in the United States and Canada. We want all genders. We want anybody from the age of 18 to 65. And I mean, you can come in here and you can do, Canada. Oh, I can't spell today.
Like I think you're sharing the other screen. Are you showing? You're showing.
It didn't bounce over.
It
Sorry
didn't
about
bounce
that.
over.
Thank
That's
you.
all good.
Thank you for saying something. I'm over here reading the wrong thing.
Man, I know what you're talking about, but just in case somebody else doesn't.
Thank you. All right, let me do it this way. Yeah, see, when I do the presenting, I have to minimize you guys down in the corner, so I don't see what you're seeing. I'm just going based off where my page takes me, you know what I mean?
Yeah.
So, all right, let's do it better now. Let me go back. So what I was trying to say and show you guys, so you guys are all seeing the audience name and everything here?
Yeah.
Okay, let me hop back here. So, all right. So when you come into your Instagram, so what I came from was this. So like if I wanted to boost this post, it takes me over to my Meta page because Instagram and Facebook are all under Meta. So at the top, boost Instagram media. I would also be able to boost this to my Facebook page. It lets you choose your goal. You can get more messages, more profile visits, more website visits. What I was trying to show you guys was that you can build your audience. So, if you're in New Jersey, you can just say, I'm going to focus on people in New Jersey, or you can focus on, the whole U.S. and Canada. Okay. So when you come down here to locations, you can choose United States. So now I'm going to reach everybody in the U.S. That's all 50 states. If I put in Canada, now all of Canada is highlighted too. Now we also offer services in the UK. But my point is that you guys can, focus your audience. So now literally every time I send out one post, I'm going to get people seeing it in the United Kingdom, Canada, the U.S. I can target any territory I want to. But now the point of that is, now if you spend a couple hours a week, instead of reaching just a few people in New Jersey, now I could potentially reach thousands of people across, 3 different countries. So these are, great tools to take advantage of. And again, this is passive. You set this once and you let it ride for a week or two. You spend $20. And then, it's just something that helps you boost your content, helps you boost your audience. Why can't I scroll down? Okay. You save your audience. I was also trying to show you guys the messaging thing. So when you do get more messages, you're able to take advantage of Meta's automatic messaging system. So, when somebody comes in, let us know how we can help you. If somebody says, can I get a business loan? Or can I get a loan? Now I would auto-populate the answer. ETG offers every loan program for business owners or real estate. So, and this way, when these people message you, this is an automatic response. It doesn't really take any of your time to make sure the person gets answered. And then that's automatically, a lead that you can then go back to and connect with. Always connect your Messenger, your Instagram, your WhatsApp. Choose your audience. It lets you choose your run dates and time. So if you want to run it for a week or 3 months. And then, like I said, you pay a little bit. You can pay as little as $1 a day up to $500 a day. The more you pay, the more people that you'll reach. But of course, the more people that you reach, the bigger your chances are of getting, a nice deal out of it where you can make a sizable commission. And then, of course, when you do the posts, I got to find what I boosted. Give me just a moment here. Let me go back. And like you see how much we post here. It's all about ETG. It's all about, you always have our logo, the different loan programs, the different programs we offer. Now, if you have 100 followers like I do, maybe not a ton of people are seeing this unless you boost the posts. But if you're able to build your following, which, you can use the meta ads to build followers, so get more profile visits. Most of the time somebody visits your profile, they're going to follow you. And then, that's why when everybody sees these posts, anybody who's following you, they're going to see these posts. More people come to your page, you build your following, then you're not required to boost as much because now more people are seeing your posts regardless. The purpose of the boosting is to reach people who are not your followers. I just wanted to show you guys how the insights work, so let me find one that I boosted.
That's like near the beginning.
No, I think I'm by the beginning now. Let's see. I think it was... No. It's got to be right by here. I remember that post. Oh, man. We post so much, I can't even find what I'm looking for. This one. I think I boosted this one. No, not that one. So what I'm trying to show you guys is that when you boost these posts, Meta gives you insights as to how it went. This is one I did. No, it's not a good one. Where's the one that was for the business loans?
I think that'd be a lot further up.
A lot further up?
Decent amount. So like around there.
It's got to be around here. I feel like it was this one. Alright, so my point is, I'm not going to waste your day looking for these posts. My point is, when you boost these posts, you get insights as to how many men responded to your post, how many women responded, how many people from Illinois responded. So you're able to take those analytics and apply those to your next posts. So instead of just looking for people all across the world, you can either itemize your audience and, really focus on one area or one country. And of course, the more people you're focusing on, the better your reach is going to be. And since we offer services in so many parts of the world, take advantage of everything. But yeah, I mean, most of you guys, I know Carissa and Anthony, these are things you guys are taking advantage of. Carissa, why don't you explain a little bit about your results that you've gotten so far? Because we're actually really proud of everything that you've done. So you've gotten us, some big deals, right?
Yeah, I've gotten a couple, $1 million deals coming through.
Some $1 million deals.
Yeah.
And you know what kind of commission you'd make on that, right?
I got an idea of it, yeah. So
Right. So one deal, she'd be making hundreds of thousands of dollars. And, again, we help her with everything. So if she ever has a question, or I'm on the phone with her constantly helping her pitch clients or getting them interested in our services. And again, we are a tool for at your disposal as well. So if you guys ever need help or training or anything, take advantage of us. We're here to help you guys earn your money, help you guys earn your clients. And finance is such a great industry to be in, because who doesn't want money, right? I mean, come on, we're selling money. We're selling services that help people make money, or we're helping people invest in themselves or their future, their family, anything like that. But just over the last 3 weeks, Chris has gotten one deal that's between 150 and 300 million. Another deal it's 25 million. Another deal, I think another one was a business. The guys that wanted the line of credit for the business, that was 25 million. Another one for 6 million. So, and she was targeting the real estate, and now she's doing aircraft too. But again, these are huge deals that, because we offer them, that you guys should definitely be taking advantage of. Now, like I stated in the beginning, maybe find your niche, maybe find what interests you the most, because of course what you're most interested in is what you're going to do best in. So, if you feel like, and you can take advantage of your own network too. Like Paul said, if he knows a lot of real estate investors or people doing real estate, take advantage of your own network. Now offer those people your services. It's just all great ways to, make a living, even if you're working like Anthony. Set it on auto. You don't have to really be involved. We'll help you through everything, and you can make some nice side money. Anthony, you just got to find your way. You're pretty new to this, but use these tactics that we gave you today to try to drive some clients in. Because you want everything to be passive, all you really got to do is, you already gave us access to your CRM, so we're keeping an eye on that for you. When those leads come in, we work them for you, and you're making money by doing nothing. So, depending on your level of involvement is up to you. But when you first start, you definitely want to be involved so you can learn the ins and outs, and then, of course, take advantage of all these tools. Any questions or anything? Comments? Anything?
I don't.
I don't have anything.
Thank you, Mike.
Absolutely. Paul, definitely after the meeting, if you have some time today, give one of us a call. I think you've been speaking with Nicole.
Yeah.
We can help you get your business cards made, get you some pamphlets ready this way. Keep them with you, because I'm the same way. I don't know where I'm going each day. If I come across a mom and pop shop or somewhere that I think can use our services, I let them know about our brand. So
Yeah, because business and real estate, small business and real estate, I think that's something real good I should concentrate on. That's going to be something that I can stick to. It's going to be a nice little side hustle for me.
absolutely. And again, this isn't something you got to dedicate a ton of time to. You can work a full-time job, work with us on the side, and make a nice, nice income.
Yeah,
Vishnu
that's what I
here
could
just
definitely.
started with us as well. Everybody Vishnu. Vishnu.
Thank
So
you.
he just recently started with ETG as well. But he has a
Yeah.
great network of people that he's going to be taking advantage of. He knows a lot of business owners, a lot of people that are already in the industry. And we have George too, who's in the group chat with you guys. He just got his, I think, first 1 or 2 merchant processing accounts. He signed up one business. Now he's going to be making commission on that for as long as that person's a client with us, which could be years, could be decades, it could be a long time that he makes guaranteed money every week or every month just from that one sale. So, just take advantage of it. All right.
Okay.
Everybody,
right.
thanks for coming into our training
Thank you.
today. If you
Thank
guys
you.
don't have any other
Thank you.
questions,
Thank you.
absolutely. Like I
I'm
said,
good.
if you guys ever need anything, just reach out to me or the team here. We're always happy to help you guys. And,
All
let's
right.
get you guys moving. This way you guys can start making some money on some things. All right.
All right.
I have a good one.
Thank you.
All right.
All right. Thanks,
Bye-bye.
guys. You guys have a great
Thank
day.
you.
All right.
All right.
Bye-bye.
All right.
Apply now with ETG. Get the credit card processing you need. We got your back, making sure your business succeeds. More money for you, that's what we do. ETG Financial, we're here for you. ETG Financial, we're here for you.